Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Mid-afternoon market update. Dow jumps 300 points. Fed leaves interest rates unchanged. Analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID 3682F3916 2027 23:26 p.m. Toward the end of trading Wednesday, the Dow traded up 1.1% to 28,302.78, while the Nasdaq rose 0.06% to 11,196.87. The S&P also rose, gaining 0.63% to 3,422.61. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 6,606,670 cases with around 195,960 deaths. India confirmed a total of at least 5,020,350 confirmed cases and 82,060 deaths, while Brazil reported over 4,382,260 COVID-19 cases with 133,110 deaths. In total, there were at least 29,607,590 cases of COVID-19 worldwide with over 935,870 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Energy shares climbed 4.1% on Wednesday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included NBSP Pacific Ethanol, Inc. NBSP PEIX 26.25%, up 24%, and NBSP Centennial Resource Development, Inc. NBSP CDEV 12.27%, up 14%. In trading on Wednesday, information technology shares fell 0.8%. Top headline. This week's Fed meeting was the first since Chairman Jerome Powell discussed the Fed's new average inflation targeting GA policy in late August, in which it may keep interest rates near 0% until inflation levels exceed its 2% inflation target. Equities trading up. Eastman Kodak Company NBSP KODK 34.64%. NBSP shares shot up 35% to $8.43 as the special committee appointed by its board declared the outcome of its independent review on the company's handling of stock options to the CEO. The committee remarked that although there were no violations of the law, the company did a sub-par job in matters of corporate governance, according to Bloomberg. Shares of NBSP Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, Inc. NBSP ARWR 41.89%. NBSP got a boost, shooting 45% to $49.04 after the company announced positive interim 24-week liver biopsy results in 4 subjects from ARROW-AAT-2002, an open-label Phase 2 clinical study of ARROW-AAT, the company's second-generation investigational RNA interference therapeutic. Ritu Eco Solutions, Inc. NBSP Ritu 24.21%. NBSP shares were also up, gaining 32% to $0.6270 after the company signed a cooperation agreement to build large-scale industrial park and elderly wellness town in Yangbai County. Equities trading down. ADT Incorporated NBSP ADT 12.87%. NBSP shares tumbled 12% to $9.48 after the company priced its 43.5 million share offering by selling shareholders at $10 per share. Shares of NBSP American Axle Amp Manufacturing Holdings, Inc. NBSP AXL 11.18%. NBSP were down 11% to $6.90. Novice Therapeutics, Inc. NBSP NVUS 9.91%. NBSP was down, falling 13% to $0.9650. Novice Therapeutics shares climbed 193% on Tuesday after the company reported the acquisition of Anelixis Therapeutics, Inc., a privately held clinical-stage biotechnology company developing a next-generation anti-CD40 ligand antibody as a potential treatment for organ and cellular transplantation, autoimmune disease and neurodegenerative diseases. Commodities. In commodity news, oil traded up 4.5% to $40.01, while gold traded up 0.2% to $1,969.40. Silver traded down 0.1% Wednesday to $27.44, while copper rose 0.1% to $3.065. Eurozone European shares closed mostly higher today. The Eurozonia STOXX 600 rose 0.58%, the Spanish IBEX index rose 1.06%, while Italy ASFTSE MIB index gained 0.04%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 gained 0.29%, French CAC 40 gained 0.13% and London ASFTSE 100 fell 0.44%. The UK's annual inflation slowed in August, with consumer prices increasing just 0.2% on the year, versus a 1% rise in July. Economics US retail sales rose 0.6% in August, versus a revised 0.9% increase in July. U.S. business inventories increased 0.1% for July. The NAHB Housing Market Index rose 5 points to a reading of 83 in September. U.S. crude inventories dropped 4.4 million barrels for the week ended September 11, the Energy Information Administration reported. However, analysts were expecting for a drop of 1.8 million barrels. Crude stocks at the Cushing, Oklahoma, hub slipped around 100,000 barrels last week. Gasoline supply declined 400,000 barrels, while distillate stockpiles increased 3.5 million barrels for the week. In a move that was widely expected, the U.S. Federal Reserve maintained its current Fed funds target range of 0 to 0.25% on Wednesday. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.